Is your state's uniqueness getting overlooked? Hi, I'm Lili Whittington, your go-to luxury real estate expert with EXP Luxury, specializing on retirement communities. With almost 2 decades of experience, I bring a deep understanding of luxury estates and a passion for ensuring your property stand out. I am also a certified senior and luxury home specialist. With my experience and passion for luxury estates, I understand that every property has its own distinct character. And it's not just about property, it's a statement, it's your statement. Uniqueness isn't just a trait, it's a heartbeat of a luxury estate, and it's my mission to ensure your home pulse is felt by all the right buyers. Every curve, contour, and corner tells a story. I craft a narrative that doesn't just list a property but reverse its soul. With an eye for detail and a network that truly appreciates rarity, I connect your home with buyers who don't just browse, they engage. In this digital age, your home's first impression is often virtual. That's why I employ only the best sophisticated marketing tech to spotlight that makes your state extraordinary. From drone flyers over capturing the grandeur of your grounds to hide details that showcase timeless craftsmanship, every element is designed to celebrate your home's unique character. Selling a luxury home is an art form. Like every great artist, I ensure that none of your home's uniqueness is overlooked. Your luxury estate deserves the spotlight. So please reach out to me and my team. Let's illuminate your distinctness together. I'm Lili Whittington, your real estate expert with EXP Luxury, where uniqueness isn't just seen, it's also celebrated.